morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm going to be filming a week in my life. This morning so far I filmed a video and now I'm hungry, which sucks because I'm very low on food. I have this cherry croissant thing. So good. So I'm gonna eat that and I'm also gonna make a cup of coffee. Usually my breakfast is a lot healthier than this, but this looks pretty good. And since I have no food, it's fine. Enzo's gonna come over soon. I'm gonna change my outfit. We're definitely gonna go to the grocery store today. I need a car wash, geez. It is hot. Okay, I'm super full. We're at Ralph's now. The thing about that chicken is it comes with a sandwich and then tenders too, and fries. And you choose like the spiciness. I always get mild. But the sandwich is like an okay amount of spice, but the tenders are always like so much spicier. Like my mouth is literally burning. And the other thing is I can never finish that meal because it's huge, which is kind of good because then you can eat it later. But so delish. And now we're about to go grocery shopping. And I'm telling you guys, this Ralph's is like the best Ralph's I've ever been in. It's so fancy. Blueberries are the cheapest, but the grossest. Let's go with raspberries. We're trying these cute ones. We're getting black cherry. All right, we're getting this one. It's black cherry. Into the place, dispatch you from erase my heart. I'm looking for coffee creamer. Usually I get these Coffee Mate ones. They only have the one I usually get, the original one, in that huge size. So I'm gonna get French vanilla. That's one my mom used to get and it was always good. So we're gonna get this one. It started racing. The crowd across the way, the flat was on your face. Guys, look how cute my fridge is. I put the eggs right here in the little container. I have my berry basket. Oh my God, it's so cute. I put raspberries, the yogurt, the grapes. Everything just looks so nice and it actually looks really full. Like I have tons of food. Like what? It looks so good. My fridge hasn't been this filled before, I don't think. Look, even in here, the asparagus. I really want to get some of those like acrylic containers to put my vegetables in. I'll do that in a future video, but it looks so good. So I didn't end up filming as much as I wanted to the first night, but I edited a video, I went to the gym, and then I made my room cute for nighttime. I lit a candle and my salt lamp, and then I went to sleep. Good morning everyone. Today is day 2 of this video and I have a very busy day. Right now I'm getting ready, I'm doing my makeup, my hair, and then I have this outfit on. You can't really see it, but this morning I woke up and I was editing a video and then I'm gonna clean my apartment because it's such a mess. I need to make breakfast. I'm excited to use all of the groceries I just got, which means I can make like a healthy, delish meal. And then I need to film another video and edit more. And basically I have like 3 YouTube videos I'm like in the process of right now. So that's always confusing. I just feel like there are not enough hours in the day to get all this stuff done, you know? My makeup is done. My hair is just gonna stay like this, it's fine. And then this is my outfit I have on right now, just a tank top and jeans. I also watered my plant this morning, that's why it's in the shower. Alright guys, my breakfast today is a huge improvement from yesterday. It looks so delish. I know I didn't do a lot of cooking yesterday, but throughout this week, I definitely want to do a lot of cooking so you guys can see the kind of food I make, and just because it's fun. In my pan, I put some olive oil, and then I cooked my eggs, mushrooms, and tomatoes. This is probably my favorite breakfast. I'd love to have like some avocado with it, but this is so easy. So here is just a nice overview of what my apartment is looking like right now. It's honestly pretty bad. So I'm gonna start over here at this area. This is my room. My apartment gets messy so fast, like in the blink of an eye. I feel like I clean all the time, but this is like build up over a while. So I cleaned for a little bit and then I filmed my video. I'm pretty much done with it. I took a bunch of pictures in the mirror. I don't know if I really like any. I do that all the time. Like I take pictures for like an hour and then I look back at them and I'm like, do I even like these? But then like a few months go by and I look back at the pictures again and I'm like, oh my God, these were so cute. Like why didn't I post these? So this is my super dirty kitchen table and I'm gonna clean this next. One of my posters also fell down and I've been too lazy to pick it up. It's right there. Alright, so I finished cleaning off my kitchen table. It looks so much better. I even cleared off everything from off the seats. Perfect! Oh my God, I'm so happy. That looks so much better. So I posted a couple Instagram photos that I took today. I ended up posting them, guys. I think they're pretty cute. I also wanted to say thank you guys so much for 500K. I am so incredibly grateful. I know I say it all the time, but my life would not be possible without you guys. I love each and every one of you so, so much, and I just want you to know, like, if you ever need a safe space to go, you are always welcome here. That's the goal of my channel, is just to make a place that's happy and positive and realistic. You know, it's hard on social media to find a platform that I feel like you can really get to know a person. I mean, obviously social media is filtered no matter how you're seeing it. I edit this video, you know, I put it together. I set up my camera right now so that you guys would get this angle of me, but I definitely believe that YouTube is the most real social media can get. You're watching a video of me right now. Like, this is real time. This is real life, you know? I do YouTube every single day, whether that's planning, brainstorming, editing, filming, uploading, making thumbnails, like whatever. And I am so grateful that I get to do this. If you have any video requests, definitely leave them in the comments. If there's anything you want to see me do, let me know and I will do that. Hi everyone, so it is nighttime now and I am headed back home to Ventura County. I completely forgot I have a dentist appointment tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. So I'm going down there tonight and then I'm just gonna spend the night on the couch. Yeah, that's my plan. I just figured I might as well sleep there. I'll probably see my family, see Enzo, and then I'll come back to my apartment tomorrow. So yeah, that's my plan. I completely forgot about this dentist appointment. It's been scheduled for so long. So I'm driving there right now. I'll probably be home in like 30 minutes. So it's day 3 and I woke up on the couch. This morning I woke up early to watch my little sister do her junior lifeguards at the beach. And then my mom, my siblings, and I all got boba. I got brown sugar milk tea.
I got coconut.
Later in the day we went to my grandma's house. She's getting her yard redone. met up with Enzo and we took pictures, and I saw Theodore. Oh my god, I missed him so much. The cutest cat in the world. I think about him all the time. I would totally get a cat at my apartment, but I'm just not ready for that. I went back to my grandma's for dinner again with my siblings, and then I headed back to my apartment. So I made it back to my apartment. It was kind of a long day. I did a lot of stuff today, but I'm happy to be back in my apartment. It's crazy because this like feels like home now. I changed it to comfy clothes and just laying in bed. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything really tonight. We'll see. But yeah, that's the update. So I hope you guys enjoyed day 3 of this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 4. Hi everyone, today is day 4, I think, of this video. This is what I'm wearing, and I'm headed to the mall right now. I haven't talked about it yet, but I'm going to Cabo for my birthday in a couple days. So I need to get some swimsuits and dresses and all that stuff. I'm hoping to find some cute things at the mall right now. Guys, is this not the nicest changing room we've ever seen? Like, I swear I walked in and I was like, oh my god, I don't think I've been in a changing room this nice. It was huge. It was so cool. So I tried on a bunch of clothes. I found a lot of really cute stuff, very summery, and I was looking for like comfy but also cute. I also wanted some going out clothes, so I was looking at a 2-piece set, a dress, all that stuff. This was my first time actually buying stuff from Aritzia. I've usually only went in there, looked at the stuff, it was all cute, but then checked the price tag and I was like, yeah, I can't do that. So I just got done with my shopping. I ended up getting a lot of stuff from Aritzia and then also from Garage. I got a lot of stuff. I spent like $200. I didn't get any bikinis, and that's kind of the main thing I needed. I'm excited about this stuff, really cute. I'm honestly just having a hard day. I also returned a shirt to Urban Outfitters. It was that Ed Hardy one I bought in my last haul. If you guys watched it, it was like a white shirt and it had a fish. I really liked it, but I just like, it was like $40 and I was like, I'm probably not gonna wear it that often. So I'm gonna head back to my apartment. I need to turn on the AC because it's so hot today. I have my gym outfit on. I just really need to go. Like, today was not a productive day. I want to end the day good. So I'm gonna head over to the gym right now. I'm sure it's empty. It's 10 o'clock right now. I can see the gym also from my apartment. And it looks like it's empty. So perfect. Good morning everyone. So today is the last day of this vlog. I'm actually so sad. I've enjoyed filming every day for you guys. This morning I woke up and I had brunch with my dad. It was so fun. We went to Ladybird Cafe and I've been wanting to go there for so long. I ordered a salmon eggs benedict and then an iced latte with oat milk. It was so delish. I would totally go back there again. It was in Echo Park, which is just such a nice area. So that was really fun. And now I'm back at my apartment and I'm gonna go down to the pool and tan. It's very hot today. I think I'm gonna go down there for like an hour, 45 minutes, something like that. It's like over 100 degrees, so. Hi everyone, so I went to the pool, I tanned, I think I got a little sunburned on the bottom of my feet. Either that or I just burned them walking into the pool. So I put some aloe vera and some socks on. And then I did the dishes. Very proud of myself, got that sink cleared out. And then I took a shower. And I washed my hair and most of my makeup washed off too. So I'm gonna dry it and get ready for the rest of my day. Right now it is 3:11. I'm gonna blow dry it with this Revlon blow dryer. You guys have seen this before. And I use it pretty often, but usually like after I get out of the shower I don't blow dry my hair because it takes too long because I have really thick hair. I sectioned it off. I have most of it in this clip and then I put in some Moroccan oil and this heat protectant and then I combed it through. I also filled my hydro flask with ice water. Just amazing moves today. I'm feeling good. That brunch, oh my god, I can't, oh I need to post the pictures. I'm totally going back to that place and I'll vlog it and everything. I literally just spent 20 minutes putting together that story. Like, I don't know why, but when it comes to my Instagram story, I feel like it has to be so perfect. It's so stupid, like. getting ready pretty much. I need to finish up my hair, but I did my makeup and I'm also gonna get dressed. My dad got me all of these art books and they just came in the mail from Amazon, so I went down and got them. These are so cool. Oh my gosh, so he got me these 3. They are so nice. I just looked at them really quickly right now. Going to museums and having art books while you create your own work is so like inspiring. Like I feel like every time I go to a museum, I'm like, okay, I gotta get home and get started. It's so motivating. Having art books at home in my apartment now is gonna be so nice. Alright guys, so I'm just about to go to bed. I just set up my room so it's super cute. I have my salt lamp, candle, and then I have a sunset lamp that I'm going to turn on right now. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. This was literally a week in my life, and it was pretty realistic. I did a lot of stuff, but I also didn't really do a lot of stuff. I feel like this summer I've been relaxing a lot, probably more than I should, but I'm just trying to enjoy like days off from school because I know this semester is going to be very stressful for me. I'm taking a lot of classes and I'm wrapping up my last year of college, which is so exciting. I am literally counting down the days. I can't wait to be done. Yeah, I'm trying to enjoy my summer while also get a lot of stuff done, especially for YouTube because summertime is like the easiest, you know, all I have to do and focus on is YouTube. So I try to take advantage of that time and do as much as I can. You know, a lot of time goes into editing and filming, but I tried to make it as fun of a week as I could. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for staying until the end. Definitely subscribe and follow my other social media accounts. Thank you again for 500K. It's actually unreal. Like I'm still in shock. I cannot believe I hit 500K. I owe it all to you guys. I love you all so, so much. I'm so incredibly grateful for all of you. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I will see you guys soon in my next video. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.